There's a general opinion in the NFT world. It considers OpenSea to be the biggest NFT trading platform because it always moves high-volume trades. However, this industry is still young, so we should be prepared for all kinds of surprises. Looksrare is the latest such surprise. It has already received over $3.4 billion in Ethereum in a single week. That is over $1 billion more than OpenSea's record, which took 2 weeks to achieve. Today, I am going to talk about Looksrare and how you can make free money from their recent program. First, you should know the basics. Looksrare is a community-first NFT marketplace that actively rewards traders, collectors, and creators for participating in the world of NFTs. Looksrare's smart contracts are custom-built, and are within a system that enables new features to be rolled out over time without compromising on their security. It is quickly becoming a go-to marketplace for NFT traders to buy and sell highly valuable NFTs. Looksrare's marketing campaign is to position itself as an alternative to OpenSea for passionate NFT collectors. It is a leading platform for collectibles and had made over $235 million in its first trading day. This was the start of its record-setting first-week sales. But this platform has another campaign that is helping it grow in its popularity. As part of Looksrare's launch, it is distributing 120 million Looks tokens. This is roughly 12% of the total supply to the NFT community. These tokens will be airdropped to the winners' accounts. To be able to claim these tokens, a user needs to meet a list of important requirements, which I will talk about in detail a little later. The minimum airdrop per eligible wallet is 125 Looks tokens, and the most active traders can receive up to 10,000 tokens. Now, I will take you through a short tutorial to help you understand how you can participate in this campaign. To claim the designated airdrop, an eligible user must first successfully list any ERC-721 or ERC-1155 NFT on the Looksrare exchange. The user needs to have also done a minimum transaction amount of 3 Ethers on OpenSea from June 16, 2016 to December 16, 2021. Another important criterion is that the user needs to have listed at least a single NFT for sale on the Looksrare platform. There's no minimum value stated as such, but it is preferable to have the sales price listed between 1 and 2 Ethers if you want to get more than 500 Looks tokens. If you meet these requirements, then you are eligible for the free tokens. Airdrops will involve a transfer of cryptocurrency. This means that you will need to set up a crypto wallet before you can receive any tokens. However, as the Looksrare platform is planning to tap into the existing NFT community, its target market should have some kind of wallet set up already. Remember that claiming airdrops will cost you a small gas fee, so be sure to have Ether ready in your wallet to claim the airdrop. The fees should not be more than a few dollars per transaction. The Looksrare platform has set up 9 different tiers for the airdrop. Each eligible wallet will be able to claim an amount of Looks tokens corresponding to their total trading volume in Ethereum on OpenSea. The volume calculation for each user includes both buy and sell trades, made in Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum, USDC, DAI, SAND, Gala and Mana over a 6-month period. So, if you have bought an NFT for 2 Ethers and sold an NFT for 2 Ethers, then your total volume is 4 Ethers. You will be eligible for the free tokens. To claim the airdrop, users need to connect a cryptocurrency wallet to the Looksrare site. Once eligibility is confirmed, you will be invited to list an NFT on the platform. After listing the NFT or several NFTs, you can click on the homepage banner to claim your Looks tokens. An airdrop usually lasts between 7 to 10 days. Any tokens that are not claimed by the end of the airdrop period will go to the treasury to be used for Looksrare's ecosystem development. You can also earn token rewards by trading on the Looksrare platform. The only collections that are eligible for trading rewards are the collections that reach at least 1,000 Ethers in trading volume. They will be automatically added to the existing list of eligible collections. Trading rewards are computed daily and distributed to users 2 hours after the day's finish. The whole schedule of trade reward emissions will be over 4.5 million Ethereum blocks. This distribution is currently estimated to last around 721 days. Users can also earn tokens by staking on the site. Looksrare charges the 2% fee on trades, and all of those fees go to Looks stakers. This rate is 0.5% lower than what OpenSea charges. It also means that anyone can get in and earn a share of the marketplace's revenue. All you need to do is become a member. The platform is also planning to introduce new features that are useful for people in the NFT space. For example, a buyer can make an offer specific to a collection of NFTs. A user recently offered to buy any Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT for 78 ethers. If you want to make the same offer on OpenSea, then they would require you to place a separate bid on every item in the collection. Looksrare took a different but effective approach to compete against its biggest rival OpenSea. Top NFT experts refer to this approach as a vampire attack. Looksrare basically targeted the already established user base of OpenSea by drawing them in with an airdrop. This airdrop was tailored to those who were active on the platform, and because of the eligibility criteria, Looksrare knew that they would only get traders who had some money to spend. They also avoided all the bots and window shoppers by listing the minimum eligibility value at 3 ethers. Some of the experts have even gone ahead and said that this is a cheap sushi swap approach that can only work occasionally. They believe that Looksrare's first week sales record is just a temporary moment. However, Looksrare has managed to record faster success with this approach. In only a week after implementing its strategy, the platform is already outpacing that of OpenSea. On top of that, OpenSea has also seen its trading volume decline by about 50%. This proves the fact that OpenSea users are shifting to Looksrare. Of course, you should also consider another factor for this recent success. Users like to trade on Looksrare as it offers less or no fees based on the type of transactions. Looksrare charges only a small 2% fee on basic sales, and takes no fees on private sales on NFT pieces. On the other hand, its competitor OpenSea charges a fee of 2.5% on every form of transaction made on the platform. The fees being cheap compared to other platforms is a major factor that makes Looksrare stand apart from the crowded NFT space. The Looksrare token value has also been seeing a great increase over the last few trading weeks. The token is consistently delivering profits, while its NFT marketplace is sustainably scaling up by selling NFTs worth millions daily. It is still left to see if Looksrare can continue to maintain such high volumes going forward, but it continues to do incredibly well in the NFT market. Apart from the weekly record, Looksrare has also beaten OpenSea's daily sales record volume of $324 million. It had recorded $578 million worth of ethers on January 17, 2022. So even though the platform has only just begun its journey, it has already created a huge impact in the NFT world. Even OpenSea is trying to look for other ways to deal with this new crisis, but for now, they do not seem to have any solutions. As of now, it seems like Looksrare is going to rise in popularity for a while. It might crash for a short period of time as it eases into the NFT marketplace, but there's a strong opinion in the industry that it will become more stable in the future. If this is the case, then we will finally see some healthy competition between this new player and the current market leader. This might even lead to both the platforms releasing more promotional offers to increase its audience. For now, the NFT traders will benefit the most from this contest. I strongly suggest you check out the platform and sign up as a member. If you meet the eligibility criteria for the free tokens, then you should definitely claim them. There's no harm in claiming free money. You can use it for cryptocurrency trading, or even to buy NFTs on Looksrare. The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, then like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all my future uploads. If you want more NFT content, then check out my channel for more useful information. I will see you soon. Goodbye for now.